I like to do this. I call it a patch paw kind of thing. Put on your socks, especially if they start wearing a hole in them. Especially when socks cost like this, like $20 a pair. So I cut myself a little fabric patch, and then put it a little bit bigger than what the hole is or the area you want to patch, and just kind of, yeah, just work it on there. I like to count like 30 seconds, you know, depending on how hot your iron is and the type of fabric you're working with. You want to burn the fabric that you're using. Basically, I just did that. It's called a paw pad. That's usually where the pressure when you walk in. That's where you're gonna wear a hole into your sock. So, hope that helps somebody out. Save your socks, you know, from throwing them away to patching it. All right, have a good one.